What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best rechargeable flashlights you can buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The WUBEN C2 flashlight is a high-performance flashlight that boasts impressive features for its price range. The flashlight is designed with a compact and rugged aluminum body, making it durable and easy to carry. The C2 model has a maximum output of 1,200 lumens, making it ideal for outdoor activities, search and rescue operations, and even daily use. The flashlight features a USB charging port and comes with a rechargeable 2,600 mAh 18650 battery, providing long-lasting power that can last up to 130 hours on low mode. One of the standout features of the WUBEN C2 is its IP68 waterproof rating, which means it is fully protected against dust and can be submerged in water up to 2 meters deep for 30 minutes. Additionally, the C2 features a convenient side switch that allows for easy operation and access to different lighting modes, including high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. The flashlight also features a memory function, so it will remember the last mode used and automatically switch to it the next time it is turned on. Overall, the WUBEN C2 is an impressive flashlight that offers a lot of features in its price range. Its compact and durable design, long-lasting battery life, and IP68 waterproof rating make it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency responders, and anyone looking for a reliable and high-performance flashlight.
Carry every day with the flexibility to work hands-free with the Milwaukee internal USB rechargeable flashlight with 500 lumens. Built to adapt, perform, survive. A part of Milwaukee's line of rechargeable personal lighting solutions, the Rechargeable Everyday Carry Flashlight performs by delivering 500 lumens of true view high-definition output in a compact size designed to fit in your pocket and carry at all times. Adapt as you work by going from handheld to hands-free, with a magnetic base and reversible clip for easy attachment to the brim of a hat. With 3 output modes including a low light mode, get the optimal light or runtime for any task. Stay ready from job to job with USB charging and an onboard battery indicator. Built to survive, this flashlight is IP67 water and dustproof rated and is built to withstand up to 4-meter drops. Carry every day with the flexibility to work hands-free with the Milwaukee internal USB rechargeable flashlight with 500 lumens.
The Brownells Versatile Light is a compact and amazingly powerful LED flashlight that's a great addition to any emergency pack or just for use around the house. This 5.5-inch light is small enough to go with you anywhere, but puts out 530 lumens of bright light while in high mode to illuminate even the darkest areas. The Versatile Light has a durable shockproof aluminum case and features 3 brightness settings. It runs on 2 CR123 batteries which can last up to 2.5 hours on high and up to 9 hours on low. The body has a 1-inch diameter, so it'll fit most available accessory mount. The light also comes with a steel pocket clip, a silicone rubber finger stop ring, and a free spinning lanyard loop so it won't get tangled. All of these accessories can be removed or added as needed. And like everything else we sell, the Brownells Versatile Light is backed by our 100% unconditional forever satisfaction guarantee.
The Streamlight ProTac 2 is a high-quality tactical flashlight that is designed to meet the needs of professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. It boasts a powerful 350 lumen output and is equipped with advanced C4 LED technology that provides superior illumination and extended battery life. The ProTac 2 features a dual-function tail cap switch that allows for momentary or constant activation, making it easy to use in any situation. One of the unique features of the ProTac 2 is its 10-tap programming, which allows users to choose from 3 different operating modes: high strobe low, high only, or low high. This feature makes it easy to customize the flashlight's output to meet your specific lighting needs. The ProTac 2 also features a durable anodized aluminum body that is corrosion resistant and can withstand harsh environments. The ProTac 2 runs on two 3-volt CR123A lithium batteries, which provide long-lasting power and can be easily replaced when needed. The flashlight is also waterproof and impact resistant, making it suitable for use in a variety of outdoor and tactical situations. In summary, the Streamlight ProTac 2 is a reliable and versatile tactical flashlight that provides excellent value for money. Its advanced features, durable construction, and customizable programming make it an ideal choice for law enforcement, military, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The Relybo flashlight is a high-quality flashlight that has gained popularity for its reliability and durability. This flashlight is designed with advanced technology to provide a powerful and bright light that can illuminate any dark area. It is made with strong and durable materials that make it withstand harsh conditions, such as extreme temperatures, water, and impact. The Relybo has a long battery life, which makes it ideal for use during emergencies, camping trips, and outdoor activities. It is equipped with a rechargeable battery that can be charged using a USB cable. The flashlight has different lighting modes, including high, medium, and low, that allow users to adjust the brightness level according to their needs. One of the unique features of the Relybo flashlight is its zoom function, which enables users to focus the beam of light on a specific area. This feature is useful when searching for something in a small area or when performing tasks that require a concentrated beam of light. The Relybo flashlight has a compact and lightweight design, which makes it easy to carry around. It comes with a pocket clip that allows users to attach it to their belts or pockets for easy access. The flashlight is also easy to operate, with a simple button that controls the different lighting modes. In summary, the Relybo flashlight is a reliable and durable flashlight that is perfect for use during emergencies, outdoor activities, and everyday use. Its advanced features and long battery life make it stand out among other flashlights in the market. So that's it for the top 5 best rechargeable flashlights you can buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.